A client sent me a video. It was another brand's edge protection. I'm not going to play it here, but I tell you what I saw. A post on the ground, a worker on his way to the hospital. And that product looked exactly like the one we make. I put everything else down. I called the client. He said that product was installed correctly. No shortcuts, nothing missing. They moved the equipment twice that morning. First move, the post shifted slightly. Nobody noticed. Second move, it came down. Someone was walking below. After listening to all of that, I didn't say anything because I already knew I needed to go check our own product. Come here, look at this. This is our lock pin. So I insert it. It looks fine. So I pull it. I pull hard. It moved. The other brand's product failed for exactly this reason, and ours had the exactly same problem. So we redesigned the entire lock pin. New spring mechanism, higher retention force, higher pull-out resistance. Now look at this new one. Same. I insert it. It locked, and I pull it. I pull hard. It's still locked very firmly. So this upgrade is part of our new product build, not a simple change. We made a big product. Just this one lock pin changed everything. This side, the work goes home safely. That side, the work goes to the hospital. Just this one part. Later, I was reviewing the new EN13374 2025. There's new requirement. Critical connectors must resist accidental removal. When I read that, I wasn't surprised at all because that video had already shown me the same problem. That's one more thing you need to know. The new standard requires connectors to be fixed in place, not recommended, required. If an inspector walks onto your site and sees the old design, that's a fine. That's a stop work order. Don't give them the reason. While checking the locking pin, I found something else. Every day this battery gets carried, stopped, knocked around. This highest load always hits in the middle. So on top of the existing structure, we added two 10 mm steel round bar. Right here, you see? Looks like a small addition, but the overall rigidity of the structure completely different. Good design isn't more material, it's putting the material exactly where it needs to be. 6 months later, the new version on site looks the same as the day one. 2 upgrades, 1 lock pin, 1 steel bar. Both changes came from the same moment, that video, that post line on the ground. We didn't wait for our own clients to have a problem. We saw it and we acted. That's what we do. If you've used the edge protection on a job site and something didn't feel right, let's talk. It doesn't have to be a big problem. Sometimes with small details is where everything starts.